Very nice. That was beautiful. Oh yeah, I saw his beard hanging, dragging it in the wind. You can see his beard flopping in the wind. All on video.
Yes, baby. Yes. About time. I was not expecting him to come in.
Oh my god. Nice.
Come get in. His beard. It's a mature tub.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at his belly. He's been fighting.
Yep.
Oh. Jeez.
Nice.
Yes. Right.
What was that? 15, 20 inches?
Yep, perfect. Oh, okay, we'll get him fan. There's my bird. Thank you, Cody. Here's about a 25-yard shot, 20 to 30-yard shot. It's our decoy. There. Oh. What a perfect setup. Beard and everything?
Yep.
Yeah, he's a beautiful.
Hold his beard up.
Good 10 inches, I'd say.
Yeah.
It's a nice bird. He's got big spurs. Nice fan. Oh, call my friends tonight. Tell them.
Yeah.
That's right, Brendan. Yeah, I'll show him the spurs quick. They're not 3/4 inch, did you say? This one's a little bit bigger.
3/4 to an inch.
Yeah. About as big as Fred. Okay.